Hi everyone, in this short Photoshop tutorial, you'll learn how to add a realistic and captivating window light effect to your images. First, go to Tools and then right-click the Lasso tool, and select the Polygon Lasso tool. Now select the area of that image where you want that effect to apply. Once done, click on the new Adjustment Layer button and select Levels. Now adjust the level as per your requirement. Once done, click on the mask and reduce the feather pixel to blend the effect, which will give it a more realistic look. That's it. Please like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe for more content like this.